Well, haunting in the snow we will do. This is crazy.
Well,
let's do this. This is cool. I don't care what anybody says.
what, snow?
Yeah, you don't get to see a haunt in the snow. This is history in the making, is what I call it. Oh, look, the poor people, the snow, they get snowed on. I hope you got a jacket.
Probably not.
And they're gonna catch a cold. Here lies the Psycho Twins. That poor guy, look at him. Covered in the snow.
Does that make him truly a snowman?
I think so. This is cool. Skin'em Farms. This actually makes it creepier, I think.
What, in the snow?
Yeah. I mean, it's not too bad in here. I mean, I know they shoveled, but it's really not that bad. It's not.
Can't wait to see this crown area.
I know. Well, that's why I'd like to document what I can.
Yeah, before.
Oh, fat, sweaty Betty right there.
Yeah.
She's got one boob. Look at the toilet.
Woo.
And poo.
One poo.
Instead of kung fu.
Yeah.
Oh, people are snowboarding and stuff. I saw people with skis and snowboards.
Yeah, now here we come to our area.
Oh, bat out of hell first.
Yeah, but our area. It's like so close. You can feel it. You can feel the clown's presence.
Oh, little birdies. They're like, get me out of here. Every 23 springs for 23 days, it gets to eat. Yeah, see the yeah. John's gonna be like, do you want to build a snowman?
You're a winter wonderland. We can start saying that.
Well,
You went to watch some of you trip.
Gigglez was here. This is gonna be crazy. Huh, it's not too bad in here. And a little hangout area.
It looks like Freaking ice age is here.
Oh, there's a little puddle. Freddy's house. No running in the hallway. Man, I can't wait to put my gloves on. Holy shit. Should put my gloves on first. Down the hill. See these? Oldest trick in the book. The drop window.
Yeah, those.
All right. And now we're going to purge. I figure this is about as much as I'm going to get a walkthrough this year, so might as well get a behind-the-scenes look.
With no spoopy people.
Yep.
But during the day.
So here's purge. I love when that sound's going off. It's my favorite sound. Oh, I can see where he was putting hay. Hey, it's okay. Oh, this guy's screwed right here. He got no arms, no body, bottom half, and he's got icicles.
Hat. He has a little snow hat.
Yeah, oh, look at this skeleton, poor guy. Don't look back. No, there's the rest of the guy.
Yeah.
Die, hide, help.
Don't open down inside.
Creep. I found his arm.
Yeah.
Oh, we can go in there. Cool, the door's open. Yeah.
Looking snowy. Autopsy.
Hey, because they have the circle you could do. At least over here is not as snowy. Not as snowy.
Cover.
Yeah. And then there's the exit. So there you go.